Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your profile picture on TikTok. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your profile picture on TikTok, it's actually so easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your TikTok. And after opening your TikTok, next, I want you to go to your profile at the bottom right corner. And once you're on your TikTok profile, you will then be able to see the edit profile option right here, which is where you can make changes to your account details such as your username, bio, and of course, your profile picture, so just go and tap it. And after tapping it, you can now start changing your TikTok profile picture right here. And then you will now be able to see all the pictures that are saved in your device, so just select the one that you want to set as your new profile picture. And once you've selected the picture, you can now tap Continue to proceed. And finally, for the last step, tap the Save button to completely save this as your new profile picture. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your TikTok profile picture will now be changed. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.